Audible right now. Let's continue from here on, and first of all, in the early morning we will be working on Exalidraw project, and today we will be taking the help of AI. The reason is simple that I've been facing some bugs for a long time. I did my all, but the thing is that at the end of the day they couldn't be solved, and right now I'm done solving them. So let's see what exactly we can improve over here in the project. So gonna be opening cursor right now, and just directly gonna start working on that. But before that, let me make sure that I'm live. First of all, I'll ask only this thing, that make my code better. So whatever the things I have written, AI is simply going to make that better, and then I'll see what all I can learn from that. As simple as that. I hope it should be easy. Okay. And this is day 646. Interesting. Actually, we have to go through a lot. The thing is that at the end of the day, I want to rebuild the project, and for rebuilding that, I need to be able to just first of all finish this one, and that is why I want to just get it done as soon as possible. And right now, of course, I gotta take the visual editor. And let me clear one more thing, whether I'm actually audible properly or not. And let me clear one more thing, whether I'm actually audible properly or not. And let me clear one more thing, whether I'm actually audible properly or not. Well, the thing is that things are actually being echoed. So first of all, I need to make sure that okay, they are not being echoed, and then I will check myself. I just wanted to check the sound quality and all, but right now it's getting messed up. So let's wait for a while and then check it, so that they don't interfere with each other. As simple as that. Let's check it now. I hope it should be the time right now. Being echoed. So first of all, I need to make sure that okay, they are not being echoed, and then I will check myself. I just wanted to check the sound quality and all, but right now it's let's make it 40 around. I hope this one should be fine, and let's check this thing again. Okay, I'll be checking it soon once I have opened my VS Code. This is crazy, but yeah, I need to do it at least, so that that thing is fixed, and after fixing that, I'll simply be going ahead and going with the cursor and checking the things out. As simple as that. By the way, I have done that on my screen, so let's do it right now. Okay, I'll be checking it soon once I have opened my VS Code. This is crazy, but yeah, I need to do it at least, so that that thing is fixed, and after fixing that, I will simply be going ahead and going with the cursor and checking. Yeah, ultimately I can say that that's great. Let's continue from here on, and this is gonna be day 46, of course, and we will be mainly focusing on the Exalidraw project. What is the goal for today? The goal is simple, that I have to improve the code. There are lots of bugs. I tried to figure the region out, but okay, don't really have lots of time, so that is why I'm simply gonna take the help of AI to just simply know the regions behind the working, because that's not working as expected. As simple as that. So that's what we are gonna be focusing on right now. So I'll simply ask one thing, and that's gonna be just, what the hell? Why is that gone? Let's click on this. Okay, so this is the cursor application, the cursor AI. The chat is going to be make the current written code better and check if there are some bugs. Write comments where you edit the things and why. New update available, I'll be installing it later on. Ultimately, this is what I'm doing over here. It's simply checking all the files, and once it checked all the files, and then it will start working on them. So the query was simple. That was make the current code better and check if there are some bugs, and write the comments where you edit the things and all. So let's see how it's gonna be now getting the things done. Control-Shift-D. The reason behind taking the help of AI is simple. I've been working on it for 3 days at least on the same thing, but on a daily basis I've been facing the problems, and I actually haven't been able to resolve them. It could be that I'm not at that level, that is why I'm taking the help of AI. And having said that, I actually have to rebuild this project, so when I'm rebuilding it, at that time I'll be getting the things from my own side. Till then, if I have to take the help of AI in something to learn, I will be taking that. And AI is gonna make it better, that means production ready better. So far I've been building the project, so there can be so many mistakes that I never even expected myself to make. Now as an AI, it will simply make everything better, and I hope I'm gonna learn a lot from it. So okay, let's continue and just wait for a while until it simply gets everything done. So what all it's improving, it's actually going to my whole code base and then adding the things from its own side, changing many things, and at the end of the day I have to just simply check whether it works or not. That means all the changes, whether they work or not. So whether it comes to get position, canvas, TSX, everything is being changed. Few things are changing here, many things are being added here, so that's good. The thing is that the code has been written by us, so we can easily understand the code. We can understand the reason behind the changes that have been made, so that's great. So let's wait and then we'll continue. That's good. The thing is that the code has been written by us, so we can easily understand the code. We can understand the changes that have been made. Alrighty, I think it's done, and it has done that. What is the next thing? Either I can keep all, I can undo all. Just keep all of them right now. And this is what it has done. Summary of improvements. Canvas board TSX. Fixed the use effect dependency array. Added missing dependencies to prevent stale closures. Remove the debug alert statement. Add Windows array size handling for canvas dimensions. Remove the redundant null check. Added error handling for WebSockets and Canvas Painter. Fix the variable showing bug in the pointer up, and ultimately whatever it has done, that doesn't really matter. First of all, I want to check whether it works or not. So let's write the command. I already have the terminal open, but that's not visible. Crazy stuff. Let's open bash terminal over here. This one, and this one needs to be removed. So I can say pnpm run and dev, or just pnpm dev is going to be enough. How can I get that back? I have closed that for sure. So now I'm getting it here. So even if I close it now, if I click on it, it will come back. Right? If I click on it again, it's gone. That's nice. Well, the server is running right now, so let's simply go to 3002 port and check the working. Many things have been changed, so not sure whether they work well or not. But first of all, it's starting, then till we're ready. Open in browser. That's nice. Wow. Ooh, that is insane actually. Like, can I open the things inside the terminal itself? Do we get this functionality right now?
guess what? We do get it. So we are here. This is nice. There are many issues right now. Go through the result and check if everything is working. I'm getting logs camera. What it is asking me to do is simply seeding this project and then npm run build. And it's okay, do it. Because though it has made the changes, there could be lots of errors, a lot of errors. Checking for potential issues with the null shaped ID in the delete. And I think I actually have to run the database. So docker ps, yeah, so docker start docker db. The docker is started right now. Docker ps, that's at least on. Conclusion, just keep all together. Run the project. npm run dev allow. Check the terminal output to see if the server started. Slip 3. Checking which app need to run the status. Even if it makes the other one better, that's okay. Any variables are there now? There is a variable. Let's simply run pn get, and it should be fine. Let's go to Exalidraw, and we are. What is the problem? Okay, so it's already in use. Where is this being used? Over here or something? Yeah. Let's close this one. Cursor try to. It should be fine at least right now. I'm not using the. I'm still using that. LSOF input is going to be 3000. Actually, they have open your this. Okay, let's open. See if it works. Go to room. Join the room. Let's do one thing. Open PG Arena as well. There's only one issue. What is that? WebSocket error. There is some kind of WebSocket error. And what kind of WebSocket error is that? Reload the page. Okay. Time to delete everything from here. Whatever shapes I have. Let's run the query. That's done. What is the next step? Reload the page again. There should be nothing. And let's check whether it still works fine or not. First of all, whenever I start drawing it changes the color. If I draw something that's been drawn, I am able to draw it. If I duplicate it, I am able to duplicate it. I can delete it from here. If I click on this and then this, it's getting ready. Okay, so the question is going to be, whenever I click top let's try this thing. Let's keep all the changes and see what happens. Review them. Well, I don't wanna remove them. Let's close this. And once this thing is done, simply run the project and see what happens. So npm dev, and I think before that I have installed this process and all. Will I be able to run it? I'll face the same way. Command executed internally. The simple is the thing is simple. This one already using this. It's being used when I try to run this particular application. So what can I do? Which app is actually using that? This thing is happening over and over. I have to check first of all these things. First of all, this pencil one, what is running this one? Where is running? This pencil one is this is the WebSocket server, and it must be running on 4000 code. Okay, this is the thing clear. And this WS backend, is running on 8080 code. That is also fine. This web app package.json, this is running on 3000. Do I want it to run? Let's make it 3001. Then HTTP and it's like 4001. HTTP backend. Where is the path? 3001. So make it 3002. But if I actually keep changing them like this, then the path is going to be different. And as for this one, lastly it actually runs on 3002 port. Yeah, it does run on 3002 port, so I should not have any problem as such. So I can go back here. That's already 3001. I made some changes here in this one, and not in this one even. Maybe in this one. And what is the last remaining thing? WS pencil is done. 4000. There was an app web that was using 3000 by default. So if I actually go to package.json, okay, let's make it just 3000. Should be fine. How can I check all the services running? How do we stop process? How do we stop process running on 3000 port? Something like that. Yeah. Okay. To stop process running on port 3000, the commands vary based on this. Okay. On Windows. So what do I have to do? Let's start, find, and then kill. First of all, let's try to find that. This is the process that's actually running, and the next thing is that I have to find the ID, and that is this one if I'm not wrong. Control C. And what is the next thing that I have to do? Task kill, and then PID have to provide. And this is what I have to replace. So let's make it to 818.964 running error. What is the issue? That's a chat I'm saying. What's wrong with this? Git bash is misinterpreting, so allow this cmd. So first next one is this run through the command recommended. Let's try this one. Error double ones. Stop the process running on. Why is it failing? Now process Unported 3000 is running in that's for PM. Dev, will it work? Why am I getting okay? Right now I should be able to run it. Game day. $3,000 is being used. How about 3,000? That's not being used. 3,001. 3,001 is being used. 3,002. 4,000. That's also being used. Crazy stuff. What can I do right now? Stop all the processes and run it. Let's see. First of all, let it figure out the region behind that, then we'll simply be going ahead. I thought it would be easy taking the help of AI. Well, we had to go through a lot of things still. So this is how we actually check the things. 3,000, 3,001, 3,002, 4,000 and something like this. Great job. That's that I know. So ultimately this is running on this one. Does it mean the project is running? Let's see. Kind of, yeah, it has started it. So let's even check this thing out. Reload the page. Hasn't it started or what? Okay, it has started. And if I just try to draw now, there is still being drawn. Reload the page. Now I click on this and then this. That is drawn. By the way, apart from this, any errors over here? Duplicated it, deleted it, able to write, at least not getting any errors. We'll figure the remaining things out. Okay, so right now let's delete everything from the database. Right now we have nothing. Come on here, where am I going? Over here. Let's close this one too. Reload the page, and right now we have nothing over here. The thing I want to do is simple. That when I'm clicking on them, shapes are automatically being created. Why is that? So the second time the shape gets created, and is it like when I click I am actually clicking on the canvas. Mainly I wanted to take the help of AI in this particular bug because it's been 3 days around fixing this, and I now did not want to just spend more and more time. So let's see. First click changes the tool propagation and canvas, which you then can use the new logic in the current. Let's see how it does the job. Compiled, front end done. Okay, but it's still making changes. So let it do whatever it's doing, and then we'll be simply having a look. So ultimately it has done the things right. Why this was happening? The canvas uses pointer down events, but only click events were being stopped. Okay, the top bar was outside the relative container, so the index wasn't working as expected. Events were reaching the canvas event when clicking the top bar. Now when you click on the top bar, pointer down event is stopped immediately. The canvas never receives event. That's all. Let's see. Reload the page. First of all, empty the database. Again, click here, click here. Taking the AI. This is how AI does the job. Taking the help of AI limited. I meant to say. I am still getting the error, and starting point of the creation is 0 0, something like that. I hope it's gonna be solved today, because this is the ultimate solution. Finally taking the help of AI to solve it, and if it doesn't get resolved right now, then well, I think it will be able to resolve it. Just the thing, it's gonna take some time to just go with the stuff and understand the situation or bug, whatever that is. It's actually changing many things. At the end of the day, I will have to understand the code as well, so that I can get the stuff done from my own side. For that thing, I don't know what all it's gonna change. But the thing is that overall code is going to be looking the same that we have written. Things are going to be changed. It's adding the comments and all over there, so it should be fine. The important thing is that we should be able to understand the code that's been written by AI. Okay, so what exactly has been done over here? Canvas painter, multiple coordinates, check the screen coordinates, check ignores, clicks when less than 80 pixel, and top bar here. First of all, check it. Reload it. AI not able to resolve it. What can I do? When I click on circle, nothing happened. Oh, okay, let's run it again. What is the problem? It does not seem to be working. I have to close this chat or what? What the hell? You hit a user's limit. Get cursor pro for more agent. People ask me to use AI, and here we are. Let's install anti-gravity, what it does. Anti-gravity. Let's see how long it's gonna take. Well, it should be quick. Let me tell you quick. Not that much, yeah, quite quick. I can turn the chats on meanwhile, as I'm not actually doing the things on my own. So yeah, chats can actually be on. So let me turn the chats on at least. I may find some good folks here. Not good, just folks here. Of course you guys agree. Okay, this thing is done. Let's finish it right now. Yeah, by the way, I have like turned it on anyway. Allow. Let's see what all it can do over here. Can it actually help me or not? The main thing is this. Doesn't matter how capable this is. Is this going to be able to resolve this issue? Dismiss. Simple thing. I think it is free. Gemini high. Yeah, go high. Go THR. First of all, asking it to make the code better. Not sure how it's gonna be doing it, but let's see how it does the job. And we don't have any limit over here. What is this now? Explore code wizard, identify, create implementation, execute improvements, verify changes, dismiss it. Okay, this is the task, right? I can review it. Explore code base, creating implementation platform, execute improvements, verify changes. Yeah, that's what you have to do. Nothing else. Analyze, so it is simply analyzing all of them. Okay. Request updated. Code improvement plan. I will refactor the services to improve maintainability, availability, user review required. WS backend currently stores the user state in memory. Okay, yeah, that's right. This means if the server restarts, all the connections and room data in memory are lost. I'm refactoring the code. The code structure, but I'm not yet adding Redis or DB for session state in this pass, as it requires infrastructure changes. Backend purposes changes. Refactoring is the restricted routes. Also, canvas new sign new tiers. Backend verification, automated tester, and npm run check and npm run int manual. Series is called. That means it has done the job, and this is the readme file that it has created. Great stuff. Let's try to run the project and see how the things are. ls pnpm dev should be fine. I think the project is already running on cursor. Is it running or not? Yeah. I cannot even send anything. All the processes. It's not possible to send anything on cursor right now, so I can just simply stop it like this and like this, close it all. Okay, so I have closed that. Right now if I try to run it, pm dev, I am still getting the error. And the problem is that 4000 is the new age. After that, even before that, yeah, so ultimately that's only valid. 4000 is in use. So what was the command? Net stat, don't know. Let's I can take the help of it. Stop all the processes. How many things I have? I have planning, I have fast. Agent will execute tasks directly use for simple tasks that can be completed faster. Agent can plan before executing tasks, use for deep research, complex tasks and collaborative work. Okay. I have no active background runner. Okay, really? Let's see. NPM India. Why am I getting this bad spellings and all? Never mind. Has it changed in the things? Let's go to Exalidraw and over here or on the page. It may have changed some other things. This is also done. There are already used means code is already being used. Okay, to fix immediately you need to kill the process. Since you asked me to make the code better, I effectively stated I see you are also running this okay. Is this running anyway? Let's reload the page. And yeah, connecting to server. You don't need to run anything, just I even have to go to Google and check for the right command to stop manually. How to kill ports, how to find and kill ports in Windows. I'm not running any background process. Background process are happening in internally because just package. Also trying to run build the first page. Let's check this thing out first of all. Close this one. It's simply saying that 3000 is being used, and before that 3002, something like that. So they are being used, right? Look for the command, instead find and port number. I can actually give it the list of port numbers if I'm not wrong, so let's even try to do that. Find str, first of all 3000. there is a process running. What about 3001? 3001, 3000, then the next one is going to be 4000, at 0. So right now I have 3000, 4000, 3001. Okay, after that how to get it? For creating that I have to use this. First one is going to be, I hope they are the IDs only. 19404. That's not the ID. PID. That is not the ID at all. That's not gonna happen. How about the one that's here, 50961? They're not the IDs. In window it's easy to get the things done. How do we stop this? Do I have 4000 running right now? Let's see. Let's check all the ones. None of them are kind of running. If I just simply stop everything, everything should be stopped. Anti-gravity. Yes, I have killed the process on post PM dev. I don't know whether it will be easy to find them or not. Over here. How to find a service running on post and kill them. It's giving the same thing over and over. Okay, this thing does work. Okay. How to check on What the hell? It will give me actually all the ones. There are not many though. This is the PID that I get at last. And on 3000, 3002, what the hell? All these ones are running. I should be able to kill them all. 3000, 3001, 3002. Let's try to kill the 3000. What is the next thing that I need to do? Replace PID with the command. Task list. Okay, so what is the PID for that? I thought there were less, but there are many of them. So let's simply directly scroll it. And the command that I want, that is the PID, that is 3000, 19404. 19404. What will happen? Stopped? Great. Not stopped actually. Just found that. Now try to run it again. And 3000 is still here. How can I kill it? How to kill the process? Either I can use task kill, and manager. 19404. Will I be able to kill that? Let's see. (19404) task kill. Then message receiving. You can tell the command was not there. Bash which can sometimes conflict. Okay. Will this work? Microsoft version of Microsoft. Okay, I came back to it. This one. Great. I think command prompt is being used over here. Let's use this thing again. So first of all, this was the command at the top that I got. And what was that? That was netstat ano. So let's use command prompt over here this time directly. Okay. And by the way, that was also command prompt itself this time. So netstat ano. Getting all the ones. What is the next thing is that I have to kill one of the IDs. What is that? That ID is simply 19404. That is the 3000. Let's do that. So for even killing that, what is the command for killing that? Task list is here. Task kill and then PID and force it. So let's do that. I have task kill command and then /PID /the ID /force. The process with this has been terminated. Well, the problem was that I was actually using bash and bash was actually causing the issue, so that has been terminated. So let's go with another one and see whether we have some more. I better just directly go to that particular point. And if I check right now, I do not have that process running, but I have 3002 running at this particular port. So let's get rid of this one. Start now. Like this. So this thing is also done. I can actually make two instances, like terminals, and once they've been made, not this one, rather command prompt. Can't I have them side by side? I should be able to have them. Yeah, now I have them. No, I do not. Can I change it to command prompt? That's unfortunately not possible. Never mind, let's remove it. What is the next one? The next command that is running after this one, 3001, there's something called 3002 port that's also being used. Okay, so let's stop this one as well. Stop. What is the next one? 3002. After that I have 4000 this. I think I'm using all of them, that is why they are being used. 4000 is done. Let's check the net stat again. For checking that net stat and stat, that's gonna be NO. Okay, I've got them, and let's check the processes that are still running. Right now I have none of them are running right now. Interesting. These are the port numbers if I'm not wrong, and they're definitely the port numbers. Okay, right now I can run this command, net stat. Okay, this is done. So let's try to do this thing. pnpm dev. HTTP, this is running. This is also okay. Well, at least now things are working fine. There was crazy stuff, like stopping all the processes yourself. What is the next thing? Let's check what all changes it has made over here. Empty the database. Reload the page. And check the things. What changes have you made when I'm still getting the same error? Stop all the processes. So ultimately I'm here, Exalidraw, draw app, canvas, toolbar. Have you made any changes or nothing? It ensures it doesn't block visually but captures it. On click, on pointer down, on pointer up. Oh my god, so many things have been made here. Prevent, default and all. Crazy stuff. But that is fine, I understand why you are doing it. But the thing is that even after, in spite of doing these many things, that still persists. If circle radius is 0, don't save it in the DB. Let's remove it. Clear the canvas. CTS dot. What the hell? Okay, this is how they are being shown. Got it. They're just the comments, or maybe. So why is this not being shown like this. Both of them are comments. From now. Render shape is here. Get select the shape. Init. Get socket messages. Pointer handlers. Destroy. Pointer up. There is something wrong with pointer up that I have to just take care of. Edit the shape. Get the shape and delete the existing shape. Fix a variables. Shadowing bug, renamed inner variable to avoid conflict. Also added a check to ensure shape exists before sending update. Okay, so over here we are just simply editing the shape. Is dragging through. Select the tools. This is for rectangle. This is for this circle. Please check if array has elements before popping to avoid undefined. Okay. And this particular line thing, then ellipse, this should be fine. So one thing is clear, there is something wrong with this, pointer up. Because it is calculating the end ones too. Check if there's something wrong with the logic of pointer up and up. Come on, I am not good at typing or what? When I don't even draw the shape, just click on any shape second time and it gets drawn. Okay, don't even know how long it's gonna take. Simply checking the canvas painter, and I've been thinking about implications of the zero, return zero, width at zero, canvas. What all it has done. Avoid unintended shape creation on simple clicks. I'm not worried about the result, what you have done. I'm mainly worried about the performance. If you give me the result, I will be checking the code out. Otherwise, what is the use of even doing that? npm run dev. Well, I think the code is running right now. Exalidraw. And yeah. Let's go check it, reload the page. Even I click on this, then click on this, and guess what? It's still getting moving. Why is this even happening? Like, how? Hello, good morning. How are you? What's your name? Michael. Is that the right? Am I pronouncing it right? Let me know. Crazy stuff, yeah. I thought AI would be able to resolve the issue, but not. What else can I do? Ultimately, when I'm clicking on these shapes, what am I doing? Even if I click here, wow, फर्क इससे नहीं पड़ता कि तुम शेप पे क्लिक कर रहे हो, फर्क इससे पड़ता है कि तुम डिव पे दोबारा क्लिक कर रहे हो. लेट्स गिव some color to the div. Where is that top bar? Over here. I actually thought that okay, today I'm going to take the help of AI and then I won't have to do anything. But guess what? I'm actually have to do everything. I'm having to do everything. I thought it would be able to resolve it just in one go, but no, it's been how long? 1 hour. The same issue. Reload the page. It should have color this time. I have changed, given it a color. BG top bar should have this color, BG white. Okay, this color is being transparent. It should be white or what here. BG background that's being given, that's being made transparent. So let's do one thing. Let's remove this particular thing, like ultimately property from here. Either I can keep it white, or I can just simply remove it. Yeah, thank you. Let's see. So this is how it looks right now. What can I do right now? Click on a shape that is maybe this, and then click on this, then this. So it's not about clicking on the shapes, it's mainly about clicking on that div. Okay. So what can I do right now? What happens when I actually click on that particular div? When I click on this div, first of all, these events, stop propagation, event to default. Click down, move mouse up, everything. And then when I'm clicking on this, that is automatically getting clicked on. I'm already saying that stop it. So I'm not even clicking on this particular icon. I'm just clicking on this particular div. I'll do this alert. Hi. Not possible. Not possible. Okay, so how will I even check it? What is this? Tab to jump. On click, whenever it is clicked, okay, alert over it. Got it, thank you. Let's see. Reload the page. Right now it is clicked, circle, great. If I click outside, rectangle, great. But if I click here, nothing, right? If I click on this and then this ellipse, then this, they get made. I can even change the color of that doesn't look great. I mean, I'm unable to get the things done well. So let's remove BG white from here. So that is how it looks like. Really terrible. The main question is that why is this misbehaving like this? Whenever I just click on this particular part, it happens. When this particular part is clicked, I'm not even selecting it, so whenever I click on that, so directly or indirectly I'm clicking on the canvas. And if it actually does happen just with the help of the canvas only. Let's even delete everything. So I clicked on this, and when I'm clicking on this, nothing happens. But when I clicked on this, okay, not this one. When I clicked on this, I clicked on here, nothing happened. But when I clicked on the rectangle and I clicked on nearby, that gets made. That happens only when I click on the div. Same with circle. If I click here, it happens here as well. Select the circle again. Let's click here. No, it did not happen. Select the circle again. Let's click here. Inside this. Did not happen. Let's remove. Come on, sorry. Click on the circle. Click here. Maybe over here. That got made. Even if I click outside that, that's getting made. Right? Ultimately, it means this. I have BG5. And this is the shape that I have reloaded. I clicked on it. Circle got selected. And if I'm clicking outside that, like over here, it is still getting made. But if I selected that and I click here, it did not get made. Just take here it gets. Interesting stuff. I clicked here and then I clicked here. No. First of all, can I just stop this pop-up that I'm getting over and over? Don't need you, bro. Let's remove it. So I can go again just and check the things how they work. Reload the page. Selected, drawn, selected, drawn, selected, drawn, selected, drawn, not drawn. Now it's not being drawn. I think I have given it a pad like margin. What is the design thing over here? Absolute top left 0, flex gap 3, padding 2, all around, Z index 100. Why do I even have it? Oh, I did not give it. It was given by default. Reload the page. Doesn't work here, but it works. Okay, so nearby it works. There could be extra padding or something, but if that was padding, so that should be visible. Like that should be getting the color as well. They were expected to be stuck here. What is this icon button? Deleted. Not bad. Let's take a gap. Like I'm gonna be taking a gap for 5 minutes and then I'll be back. Let's see how that goes after that.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying. town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
That's good.
Alrighty, let's get started again. And by the way, good morning Ganesh, how are you? Good to see you here. Okay, so we were going through this particular thing, and guess what? Even I could not figure the reason out behind the problem. So let's even there's nothing wrong here because I have given it the color as well. So they belong to that particular area only. What is the next thing that we can do? Let's remove the color at least from here, the red color that I have given. So ultimately nothing seems to be wrong here, and that is right. So let's close this one. Implementation plan, nothing worked, really bad. Selecting it. Why are they getting mad automatically on the div or just below the div of let's see, will it be able to resolve this thing or not? I have no idea. I actually thought that with the help of AI it's gonna be just nothing, But don't know. It is taking time. I've been trying to solve it for 1.5 hour now. But that's a bad luck, I can say. I'm not able to maybe use it the right way.
It's gonna be just one thing.
Okay, thinking, what are you thinking? I'm so solidifying the handle of invalid shape. So many things. Canvas painter here while editing. This is the last day. I will try it continuously for 3 hours. And if it doesn't get solved, I'll stop it here only. Then I'll switch to another project and maybe someday I'll be back and then go through it and all. Generating. Review changes. So ultimately it has removed them, it has added this, it has removed that, and it has added this. Inside Canvas Painter it has changed the things, so let's go to Canvas Painter. Should send false, accept changes, all the ones. Done. Let's see whether it's done or not. That doesn't really matter. The thing is that whether it works. If it works, that's great. We'll understand the things. If it doesn't work, then okay, forget about it. Let's even get the data from the database first of all. What is this? It has a new version. Not worried about that. Reload the page. Select this, then this. Guess what? It's still getting ready. What I think that this should be it. Even after taking the help of AI, I'm not able to solve it. Wow. Everything else is working great. Like I'm able to duplicate, I'm able to delete and all. Things are fine. I can create a new room. That's gonna be testing. Just join the room right now. Connection here. What is the problem? Socket here. I'm able to draw. Am I able to edit back? Okay, it's fine. And if I just click here, how about these things right now? This is uncontrollably managed. Why is this happening? I have no idea. Let's check one thing. I have 2 branches. Like I've been pushing it to GitHub. I'm gonna be checking the previous version of it and see what happens. So if I just say git log, I will be going to get all the logs. Does it happen where? It happens add a move feature. Okay, add everything functional. I added a move feature over here. So let's go to this particular commit. Control C and git quit it first of all. Git check out, and even before that I have to just git stash everything or git add everything. What else? Then git check out and this particular ID I'll have to commit that too. So let's commit it. Git commit m still bugs, still facing the issue, something like that. Git I should be able to check out right now. So here I am inside that and I Yeah, I am inside that, but this thing doesn't show the things well. Let's close it. Let's go to VS Code. VS Code does the better job when it comes to this. Oh, I think it was because sorry, anti-gravity. I was using command prompt. And guess what? It is the region. Let's use bash over here. Now it is fine. ls, and what is the next thing that I can do? I can just simply run it. So npm dev. Let's clear the database first from here. The next thing I can do, simply go through it, reload the page. Got the error already. ID is declared here. There are errors in the code. Okay. I have changed my database. That's right. So it will not work with the previous ones. That's also right. Let's check. Go and check there. Index source index.ts of what? Backend. HTTP backend. HTTP backend source index.ts. What is the number? Line number 178. Yeah. What is the problem? Room slug. Let's remove it completely. I don't need this thing that when I provide the slug it should get the room ID. Not required for now. Run it again. It's running, right? Exalidraw. Let's open that, reload it. I think I have to create the room now. But guess what? I'm already inside the room. That's weird. Draw the shape. Reload the page. Okay, it's still here. Previous design. I know this was something I created previously. But am I facing that issue? I'm not. Really? The code I wrote previously, I'm not facing the same issue there. What can I do now then? Interesting stuff. Let's push this to GitHub. Push this particular section to GitHub. And with the help of this, we'll be just making the changes and all. So Control C, git push. Will it be pushed? Origin header. Git push origin. I have to push it to header. Failed. What is header? Let's make it main. Push it to the main now. Git push origin to main. How many branches do I have? Maybe the development branch should be fine. Just gonna push it. Well, that's done. Great job. Let's go to GitHub. branch of work? I do have a branch, but I was unable to push it. Never mind, I have pushed it to the main branch right now, just recently. No, last week. Reload the page. Last week, last month, go to dev, 2 days ago. Am I not able to? The main I had, okay. Go to main. What all does it have? These many things. HTTP backend. Oh, Zohab, good to see you. How are you? Head main. Yeah, that is why it's saying that. That means it's been pushed. These commits were made a month ago, so that is why I'm getting it over here. That's alright. So with the help of this code, I have to get things like check the mistakes like I may have made earlier. So when I made that functional, after that I have been messing up with this. Okay. So let's do one thing. I have this thing open here. Can I keep it on the right side? Yeah. Can I open VS code here? Also, let's use two IDs at the same time. Let's close this one. What is this? Pagema guide. Let's close actually everything from here. I'm good. What about you? Just trying to get the issue resolved. By the way, I'm great too. But I cannot run two things at the same time, so I had to simply pull it from the GitHub. That is it. Okay, how to do it? First of all, let's open the file. Which one have I opened? I have no idea. Draw app I was supposed to open. Let's close everything from here on to Control KW. Okay, interesting. Close. I have that here. ls git, not git, just cd ls. I'm on the master branch. That's also not a problem. mkdir testing draw app, cd testing draw app, git clone. First of all, git init, and then git clone and the particular URL. Why am I pulling it again? I'm cloning it because in here, in this particular log, I do not have that bug, but in the current one I do have that. So I'm just simply checking the stuff like what is the difference between them, what exactly have I changed and all. So let's go here. First of all, the main problem I think that is there, that is inside this game.ts, and inside this game.ts there is something called move up pointer of handler, and this is where I may be getting it. I have no idea. So that is what I'm going to check. This is the pointer of handler, and even then in that case I have changed many things, many things. So don't know how it's gonna look like. Game. I had better just git checkout dev. What is the problem? Your local changes to the following files would be overwritten. Commit your changes over here. Have I changed anything? git stash, git checkout and dev. Then I'm inside this. This is the canvas painter that I have. Make it smaller. And what is the issue? Render the shape, not worried about this one, this one, this one, this one. Pointer up handler, what am I doing here? And what was I doing here? First of all, click style color, this got auto. I can remove it from here. This dot click to false, this all click to false, and then I'm getting the width and height. Using get size, I'm not using get size over here. Okay. First of all, I'm just simply getting the position, just like here. But this is fine, yeah. This should not be problematic. Get position, I'm getting the position, and then the canvas itself. And yes, and then the vice. So ultimately, I got this. Here I was getting them from the position. Here I was getting the size. If I didn't click on this. So I was getting the positions, and then I was subtracting it from start x and start y. And the same thing I'm doing over here. Once I have end x and end y, I'm subtracting it from starting the start y, and I'm getting that. The thing is that to work, what does this do? It's simply x minus origin x divided by scale. That means the current coordinates minus origin x. Okay, so it got the distance between them, and then it's dividing by scale. Okay. Would this be the problem? World. I don't think so. They're just the coordinates. So what is the next thing? Oh come on! That means it does the job. It does the job at the same time. I'm still inside draw. That's right. Code. Open the current directory and close this one. Just paste it here. Not paste it. Actually, move it here. And this is the draw that I have. And inside apps, inside Exalidraw, inside draw game.ts. Control W, Control D, and here we are. So over here, I'm not facing this here, right? But when I moved here, this is the development work, git log. Everything's functional, and then found bugs. Even here I have this bug. I never realized it, but I did have that. Let's check this thing out too. Quit it. Git check out, and this committing thing here. Git stash git check out. Okay, pnpm dev. Just a sec. Alrighty, let's simply continue. Reload the page right now. Let's go to the main canvas only. Just here. Go to the room. Join the room. And here I have this hero. Before switching, what can I do right now? The thing is that yes, I have made a mistake while just making it better. I just thought of making the code better, and then while doing that I ended up creating a new bug that has been behaving crazily. So there are two steps. Either I can actually compare both of them and then find out the bug, or I can start working on the previous one and then continue from there on. That's gonna be time taking. I've actually changed so many things. Pointer up, this is the pointer up section. What am I doing over here? Over here, first of all, width, height and all. Circle, pencil, line and rectangle. What am I doing? First of all, I'm getting the shape. After getting the shape, I'm simply sending the shape. The same thing I'm doing here. Circle, this, pencil, line, ellipse. I'm checking the shape and then I'm simply saving them over here. Okay, lastly this thing is happening. I'm just simply selecting it too, so that is also great. And one more thing I have added, that is just for the okay, why am I moving it from here? I think I'm already inside a commit if I'm not wrong. And that is right. So let's go to the dev branch first of all. So git check out dev. Your branch is ahead of origin, dev by 2 commits. Okay. So over here, create the shape. Nothing needs to be changed here. The same thing I'm doing here, then this thing got done, and lastly this thing got done. So this is what I'm doing when pointer down happens. What is this? Is a tiny shape. I'm even checking this particular thing, that is a tiny shape method absolute width. If width is less than 1 and method absolute height is less than 2, less than 1. If this particular thing is happening, in that case that is a tiny shape, and if that is a tiny shape I should not draw that. So if I check the rectangle out, so I'm just simply checking that if not tiny shape then only do it, and then should send it should become true after that, and then only I'm simply sending it. So while sending it I must be checking this thing as well, that if not should send or not shape then return. If should send is true, there is shape, then simply save this value. So that is okay, works fine. Okay, so this much, these are the changes, the current ones. Then index dot minus 1 is tag. What am I actually getting this? While actually editing this, I'm not even worried about editing that. But yeah, this can be done like this as well. Collapse it. After that, should send the shape is here. Okay, selected tool is equal to this. Height I have clear, and width is 0. I am getting the position, I am getting this, and then I am getting the x and y. They are the end x and end y. can do one thing. Let's comment this much. Just trial thing. I'm not going to use world X and world Y. Height and width are clear, but the X and Y do not exist. In that case, I need X and Y. So const X and Y. I'll just simply get the position. Get position, that is it. And once I have them, I will make them end itself. And X and Y and Y, and what it is saying that let's remove this much from here. Control D, not that much, just this much, and this thing from here. So this is the change that I have made over here. Configure formatter, that's gonna be prettier by default. If that's not here, never mind. So what I want, that I'm just simply going to get the current coordinates, and on the basis of that thing I'm simply calculating the width and height and going ahead. Let's see. PM dev. Will I still face the same issue? Crazy stuff, really. I've never been stuck this much in anything. Reload the page. The room is already ready, so I should be able to join that. Yeah, I mean, now, yeah. The problem still persists. That means that was not the problem. Great job. At least I know that that is not a problem. So let's roll back, and not even, it's not about rolling back. Let's close this. Remove it from here and uncomment it all. So ultimately this is not a problem. Great job. So what else can be? These are the only things that I'm actually doing inside this pointer up handler. Pointer up, clicked, getting this thing, clearing the canvas if needed, but that is not needed right now. Let's check the pointer down handler as well. First of all, down event.propagation. That's great. Fix check if the, what is this? Fix check if the target is not the canvas. Clicked on top bar. Check if the target no. Getting the position. Fix the ignore clicks top bar here left one. The X and Y, left screen X, screen Y, left top. These things, these are the extra things that have been added. There are two things right now. Either I keep making this particular code better, or I actually made the exact clone of Exalidraw. But the thing is that even there I will face this problem. So I will be going with this one. I will be sticking with this particular rule, and let's see then what happens. Time to make everything again crazy stuff, but only these many options I have. Okay, not a problem. Projects. Projects by me, these are the ones. Projects folder. Exalidraw. This is the name of that. Ultimately, here we are back again, and this is where it needs to be started from the beginning. Most of the things are already clear. We have done that, so we don't need to worry about that. We have two versions of it. First one is the basic version, and the second one is the advanced version. What is the first thing that we are going to do? It's hard even doing that again. Okay, let's do one thing. This is the project that's gonna be made in the future. Right now I'm gonna be just leaving it here. So guess what? It is done now. Whatever we have worked on so far, that's enough. As for the exact clone of Exalidraw, I'll be working on it, but I don't think this is the right time. So it's gonna be like that. What is the next thing that I can actually work on? That means it's time to just leave the Exalidraw behind and let's build something else. We have built quite enough, right? We have added the shapes and all, so it's not like we haven't. And even I learned about WebSocket really well working on this, so that's something good. What is the next thing? We have added the shapes and all, so it's not like we haven't. And even I learned about it. The next, what can that be? Well, it's just been 2 hours. I didn't realize. I've been just thinking for 2 hours. That means I have an extra hour too. The question is that I'm gonna build something new. So far I've been busy. Sorry, controls, Shift T, get it back. Okay, got it. I thought I actually closed that by mistake. There are few things right now. I'm learning about Next.js, and that is something that needs to be learned as soon as possible. And after learning Next.js, I want to build everything in Next.js, and even this Exalidraw project. That means once I'm done with that, then I will have, at least I won't have that, and I can just simply focus on the projects. So right now the main focus is on gonna be learning Next.js. Just within 7 days we will get it we'll get it over. Once Next.js is over, then we will start working on the projects again. So this is the main thing, and I don't even think that I will take 7 days. It can be done even before, if I'm not wrong, but let's see how it's gonna be going on. So right now let's start learning the things about Next.js. Done with the Exalidraw clone. Kind of really struggled a lot, build really unexpected things that I didn't even expect from myself, but right now I think this should be it, and I should be just simply going ahead right now. So talking about the things that I learned yesterday, I learned about how you can fetch the best way possible, how you can delete the things, how you can get the params, how you can get the query params, how you can get the headers and set the headers, how you can get the cookies and set the cookies way up using Next.js, of course. What is the next thing? Interesting stuff. The next thing is that I actually had to build a project using Next.js, just a mini project. So let's start working on that. and I'm quite in the habit of using VS Code. And the thing is that I do not have any AI here. I do have AI, but I hope it will not giving me inline suggestions and all. Yeah. So what is the next thing? Let's open a folder in here, and that folder is going to be projects. This, you know, not even this one. That's the extra one, that side. And which one? This is not even this one. Sorry. Oh, so where should I actually go? I myself get confused actually. Where have I actually saved everything? SSR. Okay. I can say mini. What can I name it? Testing project, mini project. What is inside this? These are the things. Dynamic routes. So, how bad am I at this? The name of it's gonna be just mini project, and let's see what will I be naming it later. Mini project. Open it. Select the folder. This thing is done, and let's see whether how the sound quality can work. Okay, so this thing is done. Mini project is here, and let's start building it. After learning so many things, let's see how the things are gonna be going on right now. And I'll do one more thing. I'll simply play the music in the background. That means I will not be speaking. So let's keep it like this. And I'll simply be focusing in the class.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
That's good.
shadows till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Alright, everybody, that was it for now. And of course, there's a lot to do, even there's a lot to learn. There are a lot of projects even to make. And I'll be busy doing those things only. And the main focus is right now to get this Next.js done. And of course, we can't just simply learn, we have to build the projects using Next.js. Then only we'll be good at it. So this is the main goal of right now. Like, I'll simply be focusing on Next.js, getting it done. And DevOps and Python, those things will keep going on along the way. So this is how the things are right now. I'll be back just after around half an hour or something after having breakfast now, and then I'll continue from here on. And let's see how long that's gonna